It's a dying art and dying culture. So I'm making these pillows. I'm taking them back home. Yeah, you will be surprised why I take back pillows. But I just, oh my god, it's so much. मैं जा रही हूँ, बहुत जोर से धूप धूलो आ रहा है. So as you can see, these guys are doing this. So this is a very nice culture which is dying, and I'm kind of trying to restore it. This is how they do now these days. The tang machine is not, वो मशीन चलता नहीं है, बंद हो गया. लेकिन वो मशीन से ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है ना.
वो सब मशीन लगाई का, वो जलेब का गाय ओढ़ने वाला होता है ना,
हाँ,
वही लगता है. ये नहीं लगता है, जीवन में नहीं लगता.
ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. इतना तो लो हो गया,
बहुत जगह सब हो जाएगा,
सब घुस जाएगा. My Hindi is deplorable, but yeah, you can understand what I mean. This is how they're going to do it. एक भर के दिखाइए हमको. Tulu is running away. This is Shimul Tulu, which is not available in any part of the world except for India. And this kind of pillow making is still in Kolkata, exists in Kolkata. I think in parts of India too. So this is a very, very dying culture. We grew up with this culture, but these days people use all kinds of artificial stuff to make their pillows. Yeah, and that's a pashbalish, quintessential Bengali pashbalish, which I'm going to take back home to Canada. You see, as you know, I am a little freaked out about Bengali culture, about our dying culture, heritage. वो पूरा घुस गया.
पूरा घुस गया.
So yes, I'm taking my cool balish with me, and I'm very excited. I'm going to push it into the baggage and let the authorities find out why I'm taking it with me.